Our story begins in the extremely cold and harsh environment of the Siberian Arctic. The origin of the iconic Husky dog that now appears on the Husky Corporation logo began as a special gift from an Arctic explorer to an inventive husband and wife team of Gene and Hazel Sutcliffe. Together, they would forever alter the landscape of the petroleum dispensing industry. Shortly after World War II, Gene and Hazel designed and made the first gas guard in their home to protect cars from being scratched by gas nozzles during fueling, and soon began to develop fuel nozzles that would revolutionize the industry. Traveling from gas station to gas station to sell his fueling accessories and rebuilding kits out of the back of his car, Gene was accompanied by the loyal Husky dog that shared his admirable characteristics of intelligence, dependability, and being steadfastly trustworthy. As Gene and Hazel's innovations gained widespread acceptance by gas station owners, the legend of a husband and wife team and their loyal Husky dog was growing, and so was their fledgling company. Expansion and growth have been a way of life since the early days of Husky. Internally, new products have been developed amassing over 75 patents, both domestically and internationally. In addition, an acquisition strategy has been implemented and extends Husky's product portfolio. Husky Corporation produces high-quality nozzles, swivels, safety brakes, and accessories for service station fuel delivery systems. For more than 70 years, Husky has been on the cutting edge of developing and manufacturing products to ensure consumer and environmental safety at the gas pump. The product line features equipment for vapor recovery, conventional fueling, truck and high volume, farm and commercial, and convenience store applications. BJE is a leading U.S. manufacturer of oil filter crushers, liquid level monitoring alarm systems, and tank gauges, offering 4 models of oil filter crushers to satisfy any automotive, truck, industrial, or commercial application, as well as multiple combinations of gauges and monitors for any size tank. BJE's offerings complement Husky's existing manufacturing capability and customer focus to meet and exceed the expectations of our clients. Hewitt is a leading manufacturer of aviation fueling products. Hewitt is taking its reputation for product and service excellence to the next level as the latest member of the Husky Pack. From fueling and defueling hoses to couplings and adapters for aviation hose assemblies, Hewitt excels in both liquid and vapor delivery. Although our products are widely recognized for their dependability, endurance, and performance, it's the many years of dedication from our engineers, technicians, designers, sales representatives, and customer service personnel who have made us into what we are today. Always willing to go the extra mile. There is just no quit in Husky. As the well-recognized star of the most famous logo in the petroleum dispensing industry, our Husky is representative of the hard-working, innovative approach to business and success that is characterized by its corporate namesake. It's an important reason why Husky Corporation is and will continue to be a breed apart.